Mariz Umali, itinanggi na tinawag niyang matanda, si dating Executive Secretary Salvador Medy Aldea. Inamin ni Mariz Umali na siya nga ang reporter na maririnig sa isang video na kumakalat ngayon sa social media na kuha noong dinala sa ospital si dating Executive Secretary Salvador Medy Aldea. Ngunit ayon sa mamamahayag, hindi umano niya tinawag na matanda si Medy Aldea. Paliwanag ni Mariz, a certain vlogger has circulated a post containing my voice, claiming that I referred the former Executive Secretary Medy Aldea as matanda while he was on a stretcher. This interpretation is inaccurate. What I actually said was, tingnan mo yung mata niya, nakabukas siya nung una pero nung nakita niya ako, pinikit. Dagdag pa nito na at that time, I, along with our stringer, was reviewing an exclusive footage of former Executive Secretary Medy Aldea being taken out of the penitentiary on a stretcher. My observation was purely about his eyes, how they were initially open but closed upon seeing me during my attempt to interview him. Nilinaw naman ni Mariz na wala siyang intensyon na gawing katatawanan ang dating Executive Secretary. Ani nito, I want to be clear that no disrespect was intended toward former Executive Secretary Medy Aldea. I hope this clarification helps set the record straight. Kasunod nito, marami ang nagsabi kay Mariz na sampahan ng kaso ang nasabing vlogger para maturuan ng leksyon.